World Auto Forum presents Voice of Auto Dealer, powered by FADA.
According to me, the top challenges in the auto retail, like in any other industry, but more in auto industry, is to get the customer and thereafter to retain the customer. The cost of getting the customer is much more than retaining the customer. So you provide him good pre-sales, post-sales service, take care of his requirements. The cost of retaining him will not be much. That, according to me, is very important. Future of auto retail, according to me, is very bright. See, the movement will take place. We have in India, 2/3 of the population is less than 34 years of age, between, let's say, and the consumers are between 18 to 34 years of age. So where will these customers go? They require mobile every 1 year. They require a new laptop every 2 years. They require a new vehicle every 2 years, a bike every 1 year. So where will these customers go? So I think, and the penetration, for example, of cars is what? Roughly 25 vehicles per thousand, 25 cars per thousand people. That's very less. Some project to 44, also 44 per thousand. Whereas China has probably 300, 400. US has reached 600, 700. So we have a long way to go. But not talking about the cars sales, I would say the more opportunity lies in the after sales. You have to sell insurance, you have to sell finance, you have to sell accessories, you have to sell other allied things also. And not only within the sales time, but even after the vehicle warranty has gone, tires have to be replaced, battery has to be replaced. In my opinion, the opportunity is huge. So auto will always remain. And where will, for example, government can do limited work. Government cannot create metros in every city. Government cannot create buses, cannot buy buses. Eventually cars, or rather I would say autos, all put together is the answer to the future.